a job where you stand on your feet all day, there's a good chance you may suffer from a similar problem that left a notable public figure dealing with pain. Take a look.
May I introduce you to a very special person. This is the mayor of Cheatham County in a way that you probably haven't seen before. Today, David McCullough visits the Vein Center.
I had varicose vein since I was like 15 or 16, so it started when I was a teenager. And I believe it was because it was hereditary. So I started having leg problems where my legs would get tired, it'd swell.
It wasn't just proclamations and keys to the city that Mayor McCullough presented with. He had terrible varicose veins and needed to do something about it.
I came to the Vein Center years ago, and I've always been a little nervous about surgery. So I came here, they talked about what they were going to do, and I left, and I never came back.
McCullough was afraid. He had concerns. He didn't want surgery to slow him down. But 4 years later, he walked back into the Vein Center and was impressed by Dr. Snyder.
David, like many of the people that we do this procedure on, their job requires them to be standing up all day long. Sometimes we have people that are factory workers. They're on their feet 12 hours at a time, standing on concrete. So by the end of the day, it gets tough. He had a little bit of an unusual course in that when we originally got ready to do his surgery, he kind of backed out at the last minute, worried about it being a bigger procedure than it is.
But then David McCullough found out the truth. Using their latest technology under local anesthesia, those veins can literally disappear.
When they're as big as his, as long lasting as he's had them for a long time, then you have to do a stab phlebectomy, which is make incisions really not big enough to have to even put a stitch in, a couple of millimeters type incisions. Grasp the vein with a hook and pull the vein out literally.
The procedure has minimal pain, minimal downtime, and most importantly, excellent results.
When I look at my legs, it's like those are not my legs, but they are my legs. They're so different. I remember putting shorts on and I'd go walking, or I'd go to the pool, or I'd go do something active. I'd go outside with shorts on or swim trunks. And occasionally I would have little kids say, "What's wrong with your legs?"
And when kids said the darndest things, this mayor knew it was time to get help.
Before, I could stand an hour or two and I'd need to go sit, prop my legs up, or just rest for a while. But that is not an issue since the surgery. When I exercise, I can walk 30 minutes on the treadmill and I don't feel the heaviness. I don't feel the burning.
Any pressure or pain related to varicose veins, gone, thanks to an incredible board-certified vascular surgeon at the Vein Center.
After the procedure, I went to a Christmas parade, continued to do normal activities, and I actually came in here without any pain medicine or anything so I could drive myself home.
The Vein Center has locations in Belmead, Cool Springs, and in Mount Juliet. To say goodbye to varicose veins, give them a call at 615-269-9007. You can also log on to veinreliever.com.